Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video we are going to discuss some of the very important points for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam preparation. So we are mainly going to talk about this thing, that in the remaining time before the exam, what are the points on which you need to focus more, what are these things, what are these topics, what are these chapters, and how you can mainly do the best preparation in just remaining time before the exam. Okay, so all the points related to your exam preparation and to manage the time before the exam which you are having. So we are going to do that discussion in today's video, and I hope this video will help you to get a proper planning or to make that proper schedule, the strategy, and like the complete thing. You will be ready with all the things you need to do the best preparation for your upcoming exam. Okay, in just remaining time. Now when I'm saying the remaining time, how much time is there? So as per the official notification, we know that it has been declared yet till this point of time, the information which we are having, that our exam can be in second week of November, or just you can consider in November itself. Done, because the final date has not been declared yet. So in that case guys, it becomes very important to manage this time very well and to get like maximum you can get in this much time. Okay, you can learn in this much time. So what are those points which can help you to even score good marks in the exam, even if you are starting your preparation right now? Okay. Also, if you have already prepared for the exam, then what are the things on which you need to focus in this remaining time? Let's talk about all these things together in this video. And I hope that if you will watch it till the end, it will surely help you. Another thing guys, if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel because you will get many important videos on this channel which will help you to prepare for the upcoming CSIR Net Physics Exam. Clear? So you can watch those videos because I have discussed so many topics, so many previous year questions and many important things in the videos I have provided you. Even you will keep on getting the new videos here, so it will surely be helpful for you. You can subscribe this channel as well as click on the bell icon so that you will get the notifications for all the new videos I will provide you on this channel. Now let's quickly start the discussion. So if I'm going to talk about the first thing guys, yeah, we are expecting, or we are just considering that our exam is gonna be in November. Done. Now just by keeping this point in mind, first thing you need to consider is the stage or the level of preparation which you have already completed and the rest part of the preparation which you need to do. Okay, if you are preparing since a long time and you have already covered some part of the syllabus, some topics you have already covered, okay, just few are remaining. How you will manage them, we are just going to talk about this thing. Or if you are someone who is just starting the preparation and due to some reason you didn't prepared for this exam yet, okay, then what you need to do, how you will manage your time, we are just going to talk about that thing as well. So if you are at this position, like yeah, you have completed some of the topics but few are still there which you need to cover. Okay, so in that case guys, you can very easily cover up that remaining portion in this much time which is there before the exam. Okay, because you are already familiar with the things. Now when you are starting the preparation, then what will happen guys? Again, it is possible for you to cover up at least the most important part, okay, and from where there are great chances you can expect the questions, so you can easily cover up that part in the remaining time. Okay, so still you can do the best preparation, okay, even if you are starting your preparation right now. Now the point is, but how? So first thing is, you should just make a list of those topics. Okay, make a list of the topics which you need to cover up and you are targeting to cover before the exam. Okay, so make a list of those topics. After making that list, and make it clear, don't just write everything like this, one topic here, another here, another here, another here, another here, like this. No, you need to write them in a proper way. How? It's like this: one here, then next, then next, then next. Try to keep enough space, and just a notebook you can take with a few pages in which you will just completely note down all those topics, and that's to subject wise. Like one subject you can consider the 5 pages, okay, another 5 pages, and like that. Done. After noting down those topics from where the questions have been asked so frequently, okay, you need to do one thing. Now you need to, this is for this part of the student, okay, who has completed some part of the syllabus or the topics, but some are remaining. Clear? Now you need to mark those topics which you have already completed, and you need to just leave those topics as it is. Those other topics you need to complete now. Done. So in this way you will have a clear idea about your preparation and at which level you are right now. Okay, you will get to know about that thing. Done. And rest of the topics you can manage your time. You can say like, okay, one topic, if you need to cover up one topic, guys, if you are doing the preparation which is exam oriented, you will not have to devote more than 1 hour to complete that topic. Okay, so target that, okay, within 1 hour I will just get to know about all those important points which will help me to get the answer and to solve the numericals in the exam. So 1 hour, each topic, any subject is more than enough. Okay, even you can cover up in 15 minutes, in half an hour, in 45 minutes, but it's up to you. But don't give so much time to a particular topic, okay, otherwise you will also have more topics there which are remaining. You need to complete all of them. And if you are just going to study for the 1 hour for any topic, okay, you will even have a very clear idea about it. You can recall, you can just revise those things quickly. So that means whatever portion you are covering, you can use it easily, the topics, the formula and everything in the exam, okay, because you will have good command on it, and that is what is required for this exam to do well. So this is like for the first part, okay, or the first type of a student who has just already completed some of the topics and just want to complete few more. So this is how you can manage your topics. As well as guys, when I'm saying for one topic, give just 1 hour for the preparation. Okay, that is the maximum time we are saying. So minimum 15 minutes or 20 minutes will even be enough. After that, what do you need to do? You can solve the questions related to that topic from the previous years. Okay, and if you are thinking, no, this is like gonna be the less time you are having, so you can do one thing. Either just note down the main points from the previous year questions at the place wherever you are just solving it. Main points means, okay, this is a question related to planet, okay, and there they are talking about the circular orbit. There they have given you the angular momentum, okay, there they have given you this potential expression. So that's it, you don't need to write all the statement, okay. And what you need to find, let's say omega, that is angular frequency or time period. So that's how. Note down the main and the key points, solve the questions too, okay, and manage the time. Just fix it like, okay, this much time for this preparation, this part of the preparation and all. And now let's talk about the students, those who are just starting their preparation. If you are someone who is going to start the preparation now, guys, you have to do the first thing same. Make a list of topics first. Okay, if you are already having those topics mentioned somewhere, that's very good, but you have to make the list if it is not there, because then only will be able to get the clear idea. Okay, and how you can make this list? By observing the previous year questions, also by keeping the official syllabus in front of you which we are having for the exam. Done. Make the list of topics which you need to cover and you are targeting to cover before the exam. Okay, just keep on covering each and every topic and just mark that particular topic. Also keep on maintaining or making the formula notebook. The formula notebook part is common for the second type and the first type of student. Clear? Like who has already completed some of the topics, if he or she has made the formula notebook, that's good. But if not, right now you can even try to make it, but don't devote so much time for that too. Clear? So keep on preparing the topic, update your formula notebook, keep on preparing the topic, update your formula notebook. If you can do the one more thing I'm going to tell you here, that is to make or maintain your practice notebook too. If you will start making it as in the same way, just in the short manner, note down the key points given in the question, okay, and solve that question. Okay, in this way you will be able to practice the questions too in less time and manage everything. So guys, this is how you can manage the remaining time to cover up major portion, okay, and do the regular revision too with the formula notebook. Because this formula notebook, when you are making, its only target is not to provide you everything at a place. It will provide you everything at a place, but along with that it will even help you to do the regular revision in less time. Just everything is at one place, you can just quickly revise everything, and that's how you'll be able to cover up most of the things in less time. Another thing guys, I would like to tell you that you need to do the regular revision. Okay, like every day try to do the revision of the topics you have completed till that date. Okay, so guys, in this way you can cover up the major portion in the remaining time, and I hope this is gonna be helpful for you. Another thing, if you are still thinking is it possible, can you do it, so guys, just believe, and yes, you can do it. It is possible. Easily you can cover up major portion, easily you can score good marks. And for this exam there are few things on which everybody needs to focus on if he or she wants to score good marks. First thing, knowing that what you are preparing and how many topics you have prepared. Like if somebody is going to ask you right now from classical mechanics, from quantum mechanics, you should be able to tell them that okay, I have prepared this topic. Clear? So in this way you should have your preparation, that everything should be here, and quickly you should be able to tell all the things to anybody. Second thing, in one particular topic, what are the formulae you are having, what situation, which situation based questions you can get. So get a clear idea. Okay, when you are doing it for the first time, you may not get it clearly like that, but if you will keep on revising, you will have that idea. And why I'm asking you to get that idea, this kind of thing, okay, because in the exam you will have to use and apply the formula on your own, and when you will prepare in this way, it will be easy, it will be quick, that you are able to relate the formula, get the final answer and all. Clear? So it's gonna be good. Clear? And you can do it guys. There is still enough time you are having for your preparation, so do it. I will keep on providing you some more important ideas, some suggestions, and the important things which will surely help you to prepare very well for your upcoming exam. So stay connected. Also, if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe the YouTube channel, that is Mission at Physics Exam, because you will keep on getting important topics, important questions, important suggestions, and the ideas how you can prepare very well for your exam. Okay, what are the things on which you need to focus more, and all, like everything I will try to let you know. Clear? So guys, thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you. Also, one more thing I would like to tell you guys, if you think to prepare for the exam you need the guidance, you want to attend the more regular live classes, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Also, whenever you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here. Use it, apply it, get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount by writing this referral code and by applying it. Also guys, after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will get so many benefits like the weekly quizzes, doubt clearing sessions, mock tests, PDF of important notes, and many other ideas, the strategies you will be able to know, okay, which will help you. Strategy means how you should prepare, what are the topics which you should prepare first, how you should practice the questions, is there any particular approach which can make the things easy for you and simple for you. So that's how, like, if you are just going to know everything, you will surely be able to get the benefits of these things in your upcoming exam. So yeah, if you want to attend more regular live classes, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription also by using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here. You can get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Also guys, special classes are going on which you can check in Unacademy Learning app. Okay, also after attending, like if you want, you can even attend those special classes. Okay, they will be helpful for you. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. If you are having any suggestion, any particular video you want right now on any topic, any subject, any point related to preparation, you can comment about it. I will try to provide you that video if possible, okay, or some details about that particular thing. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.